How to fix WhatsApp video call minimize. If you have the minimize video call problem, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing, open the settings. Go to the apps manager. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have. Scroll until you find WhatsApp, click on it, and then click on this option to force stop the app, and then go into the notifications, disable the notifications, and enable them back. Now go into the data users, and now right here make sure to enable the mobile data, the Wi-Fi, and the roaming data, and disable only this background data option. After that, go back and now click on the storage option, click on clear cache. And the last thing you want to do next is just turn off your phone and turn on again, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.